Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to the class of Pakistan Studies. Hope that you people will find in doing best these days. As you know that we are studying chapter number 2, and chapter number 2 is the Pakistan movement and emergence of Pakistan. So let's come and check that what we are going to study today. Our today's topic is Lucknow Pact, जिसे हम उर्दू में साके लखनऊ के नाम से जानते हैं. Lucknow is basically the name of the place, and pact means or misak. Pact or misak means to have an agreement with any individual, any community, or any nation, or any group, or any party. As Lucknow Pact was basically conducted or presented in Lucknow, so on the name of the place it has been called or named as Lucknow Pact. So it was very significant event in the political and constitutional history of India. So let's come and discuss introduction of it. The Lucknow Pact was basically presented in December 1916 by the major parties of the subcontinent, and the major parties were the Indian National Congress and the All India Muslim League. So both of the parties leaders agreed that they should cooperate with each other to make the British accept their demands. So it was the first and last time that both of these nations came together and presented such type of pact. Otherwise, earlier or later 1916 they didn't sign any type of pact. So let's come and check that whether they have been successful in their efforts or not. Before discussing anything, we will discuss about the reasons of the Lucknow Pact first. That why there was a reason, why there was need to present the Lucknow Pact. So there are three major reasons behind it. The first one is unilateral policies. Unilateral policies means the one-sided policies in which the government making favor for one nation or for one party and going to ignore the other one. So such policies being disliked by both of the nations, major nations, Hindus and Muslims. And the second one is annulment of Bengal, which was done in 1911 on the willingness or on the demand of the Hindus. So it was a jolt for the Indian Muslims, and this event shattered the confidence of Muslims and British, and they have to rethink that the British are not loyal with us. So in the third point, the both of these nations wanted to get the self-rule basically. So what do you mean by self-rule? They don't want to be subordinate, or they don't want to be dictate, or they don't want to be directed by someone else. So that is why the both nations agreed to demand the self-rule from the government. So that is why they presented the Lucknow Pact. Now let's come towards the features, what they have demanded in it, or accepted in it as well. The separate electorate was the first reason or first objective of the Lucknow Pact. The separate electorate means voting on the basis of the religion, means Hindu will cast vote for the Hindus and Muslims will cast for the Muslims. So it was the first time when Hindus community or Hindu leaders or Hindu nation accepted the demand of the Muslims from of separate electorate, and otherwise earlier they were not in the favor of separate electorate for any nation, not only for the Muslims, for any nation they were not in the favor of separate electorate. And the second feature is about 1/3 representation of the Muslim was also accepted in the Legislative Council and or Imperial Legislative Council. So it was the first time when Hindus were agreed that they are just okay with the representation of Muslims in the Imperial Legislative Council. And the third one is the weightage formula. Weightage means the less representation wherein majority and more representation wherein minority. मीन्स कि जहाँ पर किसी भी नेशन की मेजॉरिटी होगी वहाँ पर उनको कम नुमाइंदगी दी जाएगी, और किसी भी इलाके में अगर उनकी माइनॉरिटी है तो वहाँ पर उनको रिप्रेजेंटेशन जो है वो ज़्यादा दी जाएगी. बेसिकली मीन्स मोर रिप्रेजेंटेशन दैन देयर ड्यू शेयर इनडायरेक्टली, less representation of majority and more representation of minority. The other thing was that they have been also consent on that 3/4 members of any nation if against of any bill, that bill will not be going to be considered anymore. यानी कि किसी भी बिल को पास करने के लिए 3/4 रिप्रेजेंटेशन जो है या कंसेंट जो है वो मेंबर्स का देना ज़रूरी है. द फोर्थ वन वाज द प्रोविंशियल ऑटोनॉमी. Both of nations demanded for the provincial representation, more provincial authority or powers more. They don't want to be directed by the center. That is why they have been asked the less control of center in the provinces. They wanted to be get authority to impose tax, raise loans, and to vote on budget in the provinces. So that is why they wanted to get provincial autonomy at provinces level. वो चाहते थे कि सूबे जो हैं वो खुद मुख्तार होने चाहिए, किसी भी काम के मामले में उनके पास अथॉरिटी होनी चाहिए, पावर होनी चाहिए, और सेंटर को उसके अंदर कम से कम इंटरफेरेंस जो है वो करनी चाहिए. So that is why the people have been asked for the provincial autonomy as well. Now let's come towards a conclusion. No doubt इसमें कोई शक नहीं है कि that it was an outstanding agreement and in this pact we have seen the Hindu-Muslim unity as well, and Qaeda played a very important role in this pact, because Qaeda जो थे उन्होंने हिंदू मुस्लिम यूनिटी को बरकरार रखने के लिए बहुत अहम किरदार अदा किया. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली इट वाज impossible for both of the nations to stay together and to make a united India. Why is it so? Because they always have very temporary type of relationship due to their difference of ideologies, difference of civilization, difference of culture, difference of thoughts. They don't they both think on different parameters. इन दोनों की थिंकिंग जो थी वो बिल्कुल डिफरेंट थी. बहुत ज़्यादा पॉइंट्स के ऊपर ये आपस में एक दूसरे से डिफरेंस कर जाते थे, जिसकी वजह से जो है वो इश्यूज़ जो थे वो क्रिएट हो जाते थे. सो देयरफॉर द पैक्ट failed to make a long lasting cooperation in India among the Muslims and Hindus, and they don't want to. That is why I have discussed it earlier in the introduction of the topic कि ये पहला और आखिरी पैक्ट था जिसमें दोनों ने इकट्ठे काम किया और दोनों ने इकट्ठे इसको साइन किया. लेकिन बाद में हमने देखा कि बहुत सारे इश्यूज़ की वजह से ये दोनों इकट्ठे कभी कोई पैक्ट जो था वो साइन नहीं कर सके. वो इसी वजह से हुआ.